Hey guys, I'm Tripura Alapati. I'm a makeup artist and a hairstylist, and in today's video, we are going to create this beautiful look. For this look, I went for dewy skin and a bold lip. It's been ages since I did a bold lip. Before we get into this video, please subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram because I create so many fun reels and different looks there also. So let's get into the video. First of all, let's start with the primer. Today I'm using the Becca Backlight Priming Filter Primer. I know this is not available anymore, but you can use the matte stroke cream or the pack stroke cream. Pack is actually budget friendly, so you can go for that. It's absolutely stunning too. I'm just using a stippling brush to blend it in. Can you see the change already? My skin is already glowing. And you need a very little product if you have oily skin because you want it to look dewy and glowy, not oily. And now I'm going to conceal first. Today I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in Caramel. This is not exactly my shade. It is a tad bit darker than my skin tone. I use it because I want to cancel out that pigmentation. So if you use a darker shade of concealer, it will help to cancel out your pigmentation. So that's the thing I'm doing it now. And now I'm using this flat concealer brush from MAC Cosmetics and I'm just tapping the product in. As you can see, I'm just tapping it in like this. I'm not doing this or this because it will just take the product away. So just tap the product. And now I'm going to do the same thing with my other eye too. Right now I don't think my dark circles are so bad, so I'm just using a darker shade concealer. But if you have dark circles which a concealer couldn't cover, then you should use a color corrector. I'm just blending the product around my mouth too. My pigmentation around the mouth has decreased a lot since I have started using Alapati. If you want a review on it, I already gave a review and I will link it here. You can go check it out. We're done blending our concealer and as you can see it covered my dark circles and pigmentation. Now we will move on to the foundation. And for my foundation today I am going with the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation. It is a full coverage foundation guys. It is actually very nice. So I'm just dotting the product all over my face. And now I'm going to use the Pro Arte AK38 foundation blending brush and I'm just blending it in. As you can see I'm using this tick 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 motions. I'm not dragging the product. You should never drag the product. And if you have active acne, I would suggest you use a flat foundation brush. This is actually a matte foundation, but since we used that primer, you can still see the glow through the foundation. Done blending my foundation and now I'm going to contour and highlight. For that I am using the Nykaa concealer palette and I'm just using the darker shade from the palette and applying it. And I'm taking the lighter shade from the palette just to highlight and now I'm blending it in. Always make sure you're blending the contour upwards because if you blend it like this, it looks like your face is drooping down, so blend it upwards guys. Okay, my camera suddenly thought it should stop recording and it stopped recording. I completed contouring my face and also I set my base with the MAC Studio Fix Compact Plus Foundation. I'm in the shade NC42 and now let's move on to the other steps which is bronzing my face and using a blush. For the bronzer today I am using the Balm Bahama Mama bronzer. If you know me, you know this is one of my favorite bronzers to use and I am using an angled contour brush. I'm just adding a little more contour because I want to be bronzed. I'm doing the same thing the other side too. Moving on to the blush, I am using the Sugar Cosmetics Coral Climax and applying the blush on my cheeks. I love to smile and then apply the blush. Some people just do it like this. You know, whatever way, whichever way you feel comfortable. I just love applying blush, guys. I'm a blush bitch. And the brush I'm using is from Wet n Wild. It is Wet n Wild blush brush. On my brows today, I'm using the Lakme Absolute 3D Brow Definer. I'm just going to fill my brows very slightly. First, I'm going to outline my brows and then I'm going to fill it in. I like to follow the natural shape of my brow because I think it flatters me. I'm doing the same thing with my other brow too. I'm first outlining the brow and then I'm going to fill it in. My brows, they are so dissimilar. I always like to keep the front part of my brows little natural because I think that's what go with my face shape, but you can go with however you like or whatever shape flatters your face. But just remember to do your brows because it is just going to frame your face. I'm just going to keep it very minimal, just a matte eyeshadow maybe because I'm going for a bold lip today. I'm using this NYX palette, testing off the excess. Always blend the product neatly. I am using the Pro Arte brush number PE22. It is a big blending brush, and since I'm just using the color all over my eyelid, I'm using it. And I'm just doing the flick here because I want to give it an angled effect. And this eyeshadow palette is one of my favorite neutral eyeshadow palettes. You must give it a try if you are looking for one. And now I'm taking an angled brush and just dipping into the darkest color. Slightly to the wind. So now let's curl our lashes and apply some mascara. Today I'm going to use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. I seriously have very negligible lashes. And now let's apply some eyelashes. So I took the eyelash, the eye glue is already on, and now I'm just placing it over my natural eyelash and I'm just pressing it in. That's it. That's how simple it is to apply your lashes. Finally, on my lips, I'm using the Shampoo lip liner. My camera is literally testing my patience. I mean, it literally stopped recording at least 4 times today, and I just hate it. Also, I finished lining my lips and I used the lipstick. It is D for Danger from the MAC Cosmetics. And this is our final look. Let's open the hair because it just levels up the look. Taking hair out of a bun or a high pony is an absolute happiness for me. I don't know about you guys. And also, this is my natural hair, air dried, not stirred. I'm absolutely loving how it looks. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. See you all in another video.